So this is pretty cool, huh, Jake? An electric car.
I guess. What happens when the batteries run out?
You plug it in and recharge it.
Yeah, but what if there's a blackout?
Then you sit in the back seat with a loaded pistol and wait for the looters, just like any other car.
Charlie.
It's a cool car, Jake.
Greg has a really cool car. He has a Hummer.
You know, your Uncle Charlie's no stranger to Hummers.
Charlie?
That's a cool car too, Jake.
So, Jake, this is pretty cool, huh? Driving in a futuristic car, going to see a movie.
Uh-huh.
Hey, maybe afterwards we can go get some pizza.
Sure.
And then, who knows, maybe your old dad will buy you an excessively violent and bloody video game. How's that sound?
Okay. You know, when we go scuba diving, Greg's gonna teach me how to steer his boat.
Well, I am sorry, Jake, but, you know, I don't have a boat. I don't have a Hummer, and I don't know how to scuba dive.
It's okay, Dad. Greg does.
Hey, Jake. How'd you like your dad to teach you how to drive a car?
What?
Really?
Dude, Charlie, he's 11.
Yeah, so we'll find an empty parking lot somewhere.
What if he hits something?
Alan, it's Mom's car.
Guess what? Daddy's going to teach you how to drive.
Cool.
Men.
Can you reach the pedals?
Yeah, can we turn on the radio?
Forget the radio.
Which button's the window squirter?
Okay, forget the squirter. Now, come on, focus. Now, this is your rear view mirror. It's very important to check it before you back up.
Okay.
Now, what do you see?
The top of Uncle Charlie's head. A shopping cart, a tree, soda can. Looks like Mountain Dew.
Okay, forget the rear view mirror. We're just gonna go forward. Now, you know, this is the brake, and this is the gas.
Thought it was electric.
He's got you there, Alan.
Okay, this is the brake, and this is the electric. Now, they're very, very, very sensitive, so you don't have to press hard.
Okay.
No, I should give it a little tap.
Is it on?
No. Okay, apparently it is on.
Oh, this is awesome.
Now, you see how careful you have to be?
Uh-huh.
And how much closer we are to the dumpsters?
Can I squirt the windows now?
No. Okay, why don't you turn the wheel slightly to the left and very gently press down on